Hi everyone, Shahan Wicks here at PFAFF Audi in Newmarket, AudiSportExpert.com. Just want to give you a brief rundown of what's happening here and what's so exciting about buying here at PFAFF Audi. A few things that set us apart from the rest is we've simplified our buying process because we know your time is valuable and we want to make buying a car as fast and easy as possible. We offer our best price first upfront on every vehicle, which means that we price our cars, not our customers. We have removed the negotiation and we don't add any dealer fees or admin fees to our prices. So the price that you see is the lowest price that we have based on market value, color, availability, and velocity of turn, which means how quickly it turns around. So what we've done is our market research on what's selling the quickest and at the lowest price that is sold in the market, and we're doing just that, trying to make it fast and easy as possible for you. So today we're going to do a walk around on a 2015 A4 Komfort, and it's certified pre-owned, and we'll take a look at that in just a moment. We're going to take a look today at this 2015 Audi A4 certified pre-owned. Beauty of the certified pre-owned is they go through a 300-point inspection, and with that, anything that needs to be done mechanically has to be looked after. Unlike a safety that you need 20% on your brakes, Audi requires at least 50% on the brakes and tires, and then or else it gets replaced to new. So here is a A4 Komfort with a convenience package. Nice 18-inch wheels. It's got the S-Line badging on it. Here, front and rear bumpers have the S-Line on that as well. Black optics around the window trim. Bi-xenon headlights with LEDs on this particular one. And then to unlock the doors, you simply touch down here, that locks it up, chirps, unlock, and in there, here we go. Take a look at that, full leather trim. All Audis come with leather, as you can see here. This one only has 66,000 kilometers on it. Now the warranty of a certified pre-owned is, on this one, is 6-year, 160,000 kilometers from the in-service date on that, from the time it went on the road. This one is our best price first, and here we go. You can see it is selling for $22,988. No admin fees, no other fees, plus licensing and HST. That's it. PFAFF savings of $3,000 on this one. Let's just start her up and see. Okay. This makes a great safe car for anyone. Here. Now it's got single zone climate control. So you just set it at whatever temperature you want. Then we go down to the MMI here. You have your FM, AM, satellite radio. Shows up here, it's just updating the channel list. Telephone for Bluetooth, audio. Car, this is where you customize the car for locking, exterior lighting, instrument cluster, oil life you can check, service interval, and the display. Single CD SD card reader if you have some MP3s you want to play on music on that as well. This also has an Audi Music interface. Back then we had the 30-pin plug, but you can always get an adapter for iPhone. There. Great car. Comes with the sunroof standard on this, as you can see. kilometers. What a great deal for this car. Anybody who wants to just start getting into an Audi product, this is the way to go. And they drive phenomenally, and not to mention it is Quattro. Quattro all-wheel drive, a 40-60 split, but it's constantly changing where you need it on this car. So, for all your automotive needs, contact me, Shahan Wicks, for an Audi, AudiSportExpert.com. We're at PFAFF in Newmarket, and this car is 22,988. The great thing about the certified pre-owned, they also carry low interest rates. This particular one has 0.98 interest over 5 years, which gives you a monthly payment, 0 down of $444 a month. What an amazing deal on that one. So contact me if you want to get a spirited test drive in this beauty, and we'll see how you like it. Thanks.